Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Codi heating. It's for like actually shoulders and neck heating pad that this brand sent to me for the video that I think it's great. Not only it kind of like gets inside of your tissue, inside of your, in contact with your skin as well. With wearing clothes, you can actually be wearing clothes. You don't have to be kind of like naked or something like that with this one. But also it has some weight. It's like a 2 pound thing and it has some weight. So that's actually kind of like a good thing because the weight is the thing that's going to actually make the consumption of, like, for example, the clothes or something like that when they're getting hot to actually be in contact with your skin and provide that really nice relief you need. You can see it in here. You can see that it's actually pretty cool, I have to say. It is also super soft, like this kind of like Sherpa that has inside. It's not Sherpa, but it's super, super soft right here. And it also comes with, of course, a super easy way to actually use it. You can actually use it in the front, you could use it in the back. So that's another good thing. The only thing that I will probably like about this one, the cable is actually pretty long, but I think it should be a little bit longer. Just because when I was trying it before, this is where I work, this is my working station. When I was kind of like trying before, I have the power outlet down here and I kind of like was moving and it was not getting disconnected, but I was getting some tension of it. So that's the only thing I will say about this one. It comes with a digital display and the control over here. I'm gonna show it to you working in a few seconds, as well as the instruction manuals that you're not gonna need it. This thing is super easy to use and it comes with 6 different heating modes. Let me actually show it to you. So once that you have connected this end of the cable right here to this port, you're gonna have to turn it on and you have to function on. It's already heating. Yeah, it's heating. Of course, if you're using something like just like a thin shirt or something like that, it's gonna be better. It's gonna be faster, not better. But you can wear whatever you want. This thing is gonna get through. So here you're gonna have 2 things. You're gonna have more heat, less heat, more time, less time. It's actually kind of like the 2 things that you can do. Now it's on heating number 1, and it goes like 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. It has 6 heating modes. The first and the second, they're kind of like low. Third and 4 are kind of like mid-level. And 5 and 6. Ooh, this is on 6 already, and it's already heating. Yeah, this is so relaxing. This is kind of like something really good if you're kind of like after working out, or if you had a kind of like a heavy day on you all day, if you have a lot of work or something like that, you can actually use this one, and you can use it while you're working as well. You can see it off right here on the back that it covers most of my shoulders and my upper back area as well, and right here it covers my chest and some of my neck as well, and of course my nape over here. That's kind of like the best thing about this one, that it gets in touch with the back of my neck over here, which most of the times is where all that kind of like I don't want to say like in this time, but if you had like a heavy day or something like that, that's where all you need all that relief over there in this kind of like area over here. And this is heating so nicely. It is heavy. It had that weight that it feels super nice. And of course, you can just control it with this one, with the cable. And just as you can see over here, I can work perfectly with this one. No issues. I can work right here in my working station. I can move. I can read a book. I can watch a movie. Just control the time, of course, because you can actually put like up to 2 hours on this one. So just control the time that you're going to be using this on with this remote controller over here. So I'm going to relax a little bit. I like it. I do recommend it. Super easy to use. And of course, it works perfectly with the 6 heating modes.